What do the dogs do?
Dogs tree them, and then some idiot sits at the bottom with a gun and shoots them out of the tree.
So what kind of animal?
Raccoon.
No, I'm sorry, what kind of dog?
Oh, coon dogs.
Those floppy dogs, those floppy.
Yeah. Red
bloodhounds. Red bone. Those are pretty animals.
Oh, they're gorgeous, and I love hearing them.
Yeah. They are. It's nice. It's like where the red fern grows.
I like watching the dogs work, but when they were killing the raccoons, it was sad.
Yeah, it's like shooting fish in a barrel.
Poor little animal at the top of the tree.
Yeah, it is pretty mean. Especially if you're not going to eat them.
Well, we do take them to people that eat them.
Oh, people do eat them?
Oh, yeah. I don't care for it.
Like raccoon soup, what do they do with it?
Most of them will barbecue.
Really?
Yep.
I mean, how's it different than the cow? You know, like animals eat it.
You're related to bear.
Bear's probably good too.
They're probably the same. Little bitty bear.
People are making a big deal out of kangaroo meat being mislabeled. Kangaroo meat is really good.
There's that pitch of that field bounce that ball.
Yeah, that was a nice feed.
Alright. Why not? Play it. Come on, Bray. Keep it up, White.
177.
It's okay.
Play the ball, ref. You gotta play the ball, ref.
Why not?
Nice, Noah.
Nice ball, Adam.
See? His hair falling down finally?
Nice.
That little number 5 is getting a little chippy.
Oh.
Is that awful?
Oh, so.
Really?